is going on within the Trinamool Congress. We're looking at an internal rift, disagreement, all leading up to the party being embarrassed on a national platform. They are literally airing their dirty laundry in public. An explosive spat between senior MPs Kalyan Banerjee and reportedly Mahua Moitra has now spilled out of closed-door meetings onto the corridors of the Election Commission and that right into WhatsApp groups. I'm going to take you through the story here. It all started when TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee signed a deputation letter on behalf of the party MPs without including the name of a senior woman MP. Reportedly, that's Mahua Moitra. The letter was meant to be submitted to the Election Commission the next day. As the TMC delegation arrived at the Election Commission's office, Mahua Moitra also appeared there and confronted Kalyan Banerjee for omitting her name. The disagreement quickly escalated into a heated verbal exchange right at the Election Commission's doorstep. These are WhatsApp chats here that's been put out by BJP leaders. Of course, it's a field day for the BJP. In fact, security had to be brought in to calm both the MPs down at the Election Commission's office. It got so ugly that finally Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself reportedly had to ask both the MPs to stand down. Now, just when you thought it was over, of course, the BJP took this on. IT cell chief Amit Malviya of the BJP dropped these screenshots and WhatsApp chats, a fight between Kalyan Banerjee and Kirti Azad in a group called AITC MP 2024. Banerjee takes a clear dig there. In those chats, it's visible. Kalyan Banerjee taking a dig at Mahua Moitra. It seemingly says, taking a dig against her. Well, there seems to be no words mints there. He says, versatile international lady who speaks fluent English. Clearly a not very subtle jibe. Kirti Azad then jumps in, trying to back Mahua Moitra, calling out Kalyan Banerjee for being childish and erratic. Now, making this worse, Amit Malviya also shared a video of the altercation at the Election Commission's office. So now internal TMC drama is front center of this national discourse. BJP is clearly having a field day.
सब एमपी है सर हम लोग मेरा इसको बोलते होंगे अरेस्ट करो हां 30 একটা ছেড়ে দাও প্লিজ মহিলা বলে শো ওয়ান প্লিজ মোবা ছোট ছোট বলে অ্যারেস্ট করাবে মিডিয়া হয়ে যাবে হোক না মিডিয়া আমি তো চাই মিডিয়া হোক ও কত বড় অসভ্য আমার দাঁড়িয়ে ग्रुपिज्म में जब होगा तो हम भी करेंगे देखता है करिए but I will not allow to do any illegal work. हम कोटा में नहीं आया है भाई. If you start, you have to. I will finish. No. If you start. You are a senior MP. No. If you start, I will finish it. Please.
Let's get this straight here. This isn't just about bruised egos. This is about a woman MP allegedly being sidelined in a party like TMC, which is led by a woman. It's also about a senior leader taking pot shots publicly. And it's party discipline that's flying out of the window here. The conduct is unbecoming of the lawmakers. Parliamentarians should be setting examples, not becoming Twitter trends, at least not for a reason like this. This is total self-goal politics. TMC is giving its rivals all the ammunition that they need. Parliamentarians don't need to agree on everything. We know there's often disagreement on multiple levels. But what they do owe to the public here is dignity, responsibility, and some sense of unity for their vote bank's sake. Because more than party crisis, this is now appearing to be a more credibility issue.
যারা ওই মহিলা এমপির জন্য বড্ড দরদ সে যে আমাকে যে অ্যারেস্ট করাতে বলছিল সেটা ঠিক করেছে তো দিদি শুধু বলে দিক ভুল হয়েছে দপ পার্টি রাজনীতি ছেড়ে চলে যাব আমার অত রাজনীতি নিয়ে অত কিছু নেই কিন্তু ওই মহিলা অসভ্য মহিলা এমপিকে আমি সহ্য করব না
The WhatsApp chats of the party being leaked is also unfortunate. The language used by Kalyan Banerjee is unfortunate. Kalyan Banerjee misbehaved with a lady MP. The lady MP revolted, protested, and then all the MPs went against Kalyan Banerjee.
हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि टीएमसी का दल का कैरेक्टर क्या है और अभी वो रोड के ऊपर आ गया है। अभी अंदर में था, घर के अंदर, अभी रोड के उधर आ गया है और हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि ये व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में कैसे एक दूसरे के साथ बात कर रहे हैं और एक महिला एमपी को भी नहीं छोड़ा है। तो ऐसा टाइप का जो बात ये लोग कर रहे हैं, तो आप सोचिए एक दूसरे के ऊपर तृणमूल पार्टी के अंदर विश्वास ही नहीं है। अगर वो जनता को क्या विश्वास डालेंगे, जनता किसके ऊपर वोट देंगे? और उसका नेत्री, उसका अभिभावक कौन है? ममता बनर्जी।